Okay, how to fix your detail department. We learned years ago, instead of giving every detailer his own car to entirely detail, it's better just to give him one job to do on every car. So the first stop is degreasing the engine, washing and pressure washing the outside of the car, removing brackets and stickers and decals. He's going to be too greasy to get inside and try to clean the interior, but his job is to stay right there all day doing the dirtiest work. Next, somebody else pulls the car forward into the exterior detail bay. These are guys that are good with buffing, good with paint touch-up, good with wet sanding, scratch removal, things that you might be paying vendors to do, but it's just lost money. With the right detail department, a lot of these vendor services can be done by the detail team. Next, the cars move ahead to the exterior detail. This is typically a larger crew, more meticulous, more detailed, more cautious, and they're looking at every little corner of the car like a picky customer, possibly removing tint, cleaning every little nook and cranny. And this can also be done with garage bays. It doesn't have to be an assembly line. Garage bays actually makes it easier for the interior guys to come in early and get a head start on 4 or 5 cars before the other guys come in. Then the cars move over to the vendor services. You might be using vendors for these things, but you could save a lot of money if your detail crew was able to do them for you, such as leather dyeing, maybe a headliner's falling a little bit, it can be glued back up. Maybe the steering wheel needs to be re-dyed. Here, cigarette burn being repaired in the fabric. Odors can be taken care of. A lot of vendor services can be combined with the detail process. Windshield chips, headlight polishing. That way, when the car gets to the front line, it doesn't have a bunch of defects for the clients to see before the vendors come in, but rather the cars are looking really good the minute they hit the front line. And then, of course, the most important step is quality control, making sure every separate division did their job the way it should be done. And if not, they're called back over to take care of it quickly before it goes up to the front line. And that's it. That's what we found is a fast, effective way of handling a detail crew from 2 members up to 30 members. And here's a diagram of each step, what you want to do at each phase. This can be adjusted, of course, if your building is set up differently and you have to pull in and out of each bay. But look forward to talking to you if you would like to learn more. Thank you.